In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. Making sure your emails are polished and professional is essential, and Grammarly can help you with that by checking your spelling, grammar, and style in real time. Let's start by heading over to your preferred web browser on your computer. First, you'll want to go to the search bar and type in Grammarly extension. This will direct you to the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension marketplace, where Grammarly is available. If you're using Chrome, you'll see the Chrome Web Store link in the search results, but other browsers have their marketplaces as well, so choose the one that matches what you're using. Once you've clicked on the appropriate link, you'll be taken to Grammarly's extension page. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add to Chrome or similar, depending on your browser. Click this button to begin the installation process. Your browser will likely display a pop-up window asking you to confirm that you want to add the Grammarly extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. This simple action will get the extension downloading, and it usually takes just a minute. After the extension is added, you should see a notification telling you it's now been installed. You'll also notice a small Grammarly icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser, which indicates that the extension is active. Clicking on this icon anytime will let you access Grammarly's settings and features directly. Now that Grammarly is installed, let's set it up to work seamlessly with Gmail. Open a new tab and go to the Gmail website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, compose a new email. You should notice that when you start typing, a small Grammarly logo appears in the bottom right corner of your email draft. This means Grammarly is now active and checking your text for any errors. Hover over the logo, and you'll see suggestions or corrections pop up. Grammarly not only highlights spelling mistakes but also suggests improvements for sentence structure or vocabulary choices. It's like having a personal editor guiding you as you write. If you want to see detailed suggestions about how to improve your text, click on the suggestion for a more thorough explanation. Remember to adjust Grammarly's settings to tailor it to your writing style. You can open the Grammarly dashboard by clicking the extension icon in your browser and navigating to Settings. Here, you can customize your language preferences or even adjust goals for tone and style. With these steps, you've successfully added Grammarly to Gmail, enabling you to send polished and error-free emails with ease. Whether you're crafting a formal message or a friendly note, Grammarly is there to make sure your writing skills shine. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy emailing!